Good morning, children. Welcome to our online class. Myself, Cecilia teacher from Toddledom. So, children, today I have come to teach you subject of English. Yes, in English we are going to learn three-letter family words. Okay, that is AN and family words. Okay, children, are you all ready to learn the spelling? Yes, AN and. A sounds A, N sounds N. So, AN and. So, children, before we start with the writing, what do we do? Yes, very good. Take out your E1 book, open your fresh page and write today's date and classwork. Exactly, right. Now, so there are words along with the picture. That is a drawing also for the word. So children, you have to practice the drawing and see how teacher is shown in the video. The same way you have to practice. Got it? Am I clear, all of you? So drawing also you have to practice along with the spelling. So first see how teacher is drawing and writing, and then you can follow me, you can write along with me. Yes, children? So be ready with your E1 book, open your fresh page. I will show you the video how to write AN and family word with drawing. Yes? So here comes the video, children. Get ready. Open your fresh page. Write today's date here. And on the top write classwork C.W. C.W. Okay. After that leave one line here next to the margin. Write AN and. So today we are going to write AN and family words. Okay. Small cursive A and small cursive N. AN and. Below that write next word CAN can. CAN can. Next to the can, leave one finger space gap and draw the picture of can over here. Draw two standing lines and connect both the line with the curve, and then on the top two curves like this. CAN can, picture of can. Fan, FAN fan. FAN fan. Leave finger space gap and draw two lines. Put oval shape. Three triangles. This way. FAN fan, image of fan. Next word is man. MAN man. MAN man. Again leave finger space gap and draw picture of man. Put a circle, two curves like this. Draw eyes and mustache, mouth and nose. MAN man, picture of man. Next word is PAN pan. PAN pan. PAN pan. Draw leaf finger space gap. Slipping line, 2 slanting line and slipping line. Handle. PAN, pan, picture of pan. Next word is RAN, ran. There is no image for letter for word ran. RAN, ran, no image. Next, van. VAN, van. VAN, van, finger space gap, image of drawing of van. Square, one small square in the front, keep one dot here, put plus sign over here and 2 wheels. VAN, van. Okay, so this is let's revise once. Write date and class work. AN, and. CAN, can, and drawing of can. FAN, fan, drawing of fan. MAN, man, drawing of man. PAN, pan, here is the pan. RAN, ran, no picture. VAN, van, drawing of van. Okay children, so please practice these words by heart. Read and learn these words. So children, I hope everybody finished writing. If not, you can repeat the video again and see, and you can complete it after the class. Yes, please see how teacher is drawn and learn to draw and write. Okay, now let's revise once the words which we have written in the book. Ready children? Yes, come on, start. AN, repeat after me all of you. AN, keep your pointer finger on the book. Come on, you have written, no, keep your finger on your book and start reading. AN, CAN, can. CAN, can. FAN, fan. FAN, fan. MAN, man. MAN, man. PAN, pan. PAN, pan. RAN, ran. RAN, ran. VAN, van. VAN, van. So these are the words which we have written today. Yes, so children, please learn the spelling to read and write. Okay, you have to by heart the spelling along with the drawing. Yes, so please practice children. We'll see you in our next class with some new subject and topic. Okay, till then, take care and bye bye from Cecilia teacher.